three fundamental ideas in marketing. It satisfies the necessity of the market in exchange for benefit for the companies that are served as then to be developed. It is a tool that without place to do is strictly necessary to get the success of the market with diverse strategies and tools allow the markets to position or mark or product in the buyer's mind. It is the when in that the consumer define a product starting for their important attribute, that is to say, the place that occupies the product in the mind of the client in connection with the product of the competition. The agility in marketing consists on having the ability and the action speed to respond to the change of the behavior of the client and the condition of market. The technologies of automation of the marketing can increase the speed significantly to which the companies can react to change the habit and the client's profile, helping to ensure that the communication with the clients achieve a coherent relevance with the message and the moment. Orientation to the client. The evolution of the marketing has had three stages: orientation to the product, to the sale and the market. In the street stage, the companies concentrate to identify and to satisfy the client's necessities, presenting options that hit added value and good service with the purpose of the achieve fidelity. Theory of Maslow. The theory is based in that the human being present several necessities expressed by level, and it shows that they are satisfied in a specific order. Coordinated activities. The concept of the marketing includes the creation of relationship, sensibility to the quality, creation of value, and the use of mensuration of indicator acting. The administration of the marketing implied to segment in market, to identify and to select the market, to those with to hold and to be positioned in the buyer's mind. Later on, the necessity to guarantee the level of quality of the product, that is to say that the final product is the one that you want done unite surprise. At this time, it behind the insurance of war. Of duties of action of the company. The marking is practiced in the world, and approximate half of the revenues of the companies. They are dedicated to cover marketing costs. The investment in marketing is justified for the increase of the utilized information, place, time, and position in the market. The marketing is vital for the success of the organization. With the objective of satisfy the client under this tool, it is looked for to be positioned in the buyer main with the help of 4P. Price. It is the quantity of money or any other element of utility that it can be needed to acquire a product. The company it will guarantee the satisfaction of the client necessary with the purpose of getting the fidelity to the mark and the continuous consumption. Promotion. Look for initially to get to know the existence of the product and their benefit to the consumer and possible buyers. Product. They had characteristics that they make them only and different, and the different reside in the mark generating benefit that satisfy specific necessities. Square distribution. It should be the most efficient thing possible to arrive from an appropriate way to the consumer, respecting their like, necessary and guaranteed, and the product this always they within their reach. The marketing guarantees success in your company. Thank you.